Welcome to Stegback. This guide will assist you in understanding the email logs in your seller dashboard. The Email Logs page is a centralized record of all outgoing emails to customers. Whenever an order update or notification is sent, it gets logged here. Start by logging into your Stegback Seller dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the Email Logs section, where you'll find a detailed record of all outgoing emails, including order updates, shipping notifications, and more. Let's break down the key features. To column displays the recipient's email address. Subject column shows the subject of the email, such as order confirmation. SMTP column indicates the sender's email address or the mail server used to send the email. Status column reflects whether the email was sent, pending, or failed. Action column, click the email icon to view the email template, which includes the HTML version as well as the raw file. Now let's talk about filtering and searching. At the top of the page, you'll find a filter field where you can refine your search. You can choose how many records to view per page using the Per Page dropdown. To locate specific emails, simply type the recipient's email address in the search bar. This is especially helpful for finding all emails sent to a particular customer. You can also filter emails by subject line. For example, typing "Your order is on the way" will display all emails with that subject. Additionally, you can filter emails based on their status, whether sent, pending, or failed. And that's it! The Email Logs page on Stegback is your go-to tool for managing and verifying all outgoing emails to your customers.